everyone, Honorable Principal Ma'am, all the respected teachers and dear friends. I am here to deliver a speech on this auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day. I would like to start by wish all my respected teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. It is because of your hard work and dedication that we as a student learn and grow into a better person every day. I would like to thank all my respected teachers for always standing with us as a pillar. And as we know, Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September. Our first Vice President of India, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was also born on 5th September. He was also the second President of India and a great scholar. Thus, every year we celebrate Teachers' Day to mark the birth and anniversary of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Happy Teachers' Day! Thank you so much.